Hello students, let us continue the session on arithmetic progression. We had solved 4 questions of third main question in exercise 5.3. Let's continue further with question 5 onwards. Let's see the question 5. In question 5, we are given the value of D and sum of ninth term. We need to find A and ninth term. So let me make use of Sn formula. Sn is n by 2 times of n plus 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So n minus 1 becomes 8 times of d. We are given the value of Sn as S9, which is 75. So 9 by 2 times of 2a plus 40, because the value of d given is 5. On further simplification, we get 75 equal to 9 times of a plus 20, because I have divided by 2. So 9 times of a is 9a plus 180 equal to 75. So we need to find the value of a. So 9a will be equal to 75 minus 180. So we get it as negative 105 divided by 9. So the value of a is negative 35 by 3. Now we need to find out the ninth term. So which is a plus 8d. So a9 will be equal to the first term just now we have found. It is 35 by 3. It should be added with 8 times of d value is 5. On further simplification, it becomes minus 35 plus 120 divided by 3. This will be positive 85 by 3. This will be the ninth term, and a value is negative 35 by 3. Let us see the next one. Question 6. In the sixth question, the value of a is given as 2. Common difference is 8. Sum of n terms is 90. We need to find n and an. Let me make use of the formula n by 2 times of 2a plus n minus 1 into d equal to 90. They have given the value of a and d. Let me substitute that. I'll be getting n by 2 times of 2 plus n minus 1 into 8 equal to 90. So we get n by 2 times of 4 plus 8n minus 8 equal to 90. So it becomes n by 2 times of 8n minus 4 equal to 90. Upon simplification, we will be getting it as 8n square minus 4n equal to 180. I can take 4 as common throughout. I'll be getting the equation as 2 times of n square minus n minus 45 equal to 0. Here sum of the numbers is minus 1, and the product of the numbers is minus 45 times 2 minus 90. I have to use splitting middle term. I'll be getting 2n square minus 10n plus 9n minus 45 equal to 0. Using this, I'll be getting the value of n as 5 or negative 9 by 2. This is neglected of n is positive integer, so it is 5. The question was to find an term. So an will be equal to a5 which is a plus 4d. Let me substitute. A value is positive 2 plus 4 times of d is 8. So 32 plus 2 is 34. So an is 34 and n value is positive 5. Let us solve the 7th question. They have given Sn as 210. An also is given. An is 62. The value of A is 8. I need to find n and d. To find that, let me make use of the formula n by 2 times of first term plus the last term. Last term is an. So substitute, we'll be getting the value of n. So Sn 210 equal to n by 2 times of A value is 8 plus An is 62. So we get n value as 210 divided by 35. 35 6 times is 210. So the value of n is found. Now we need to find the value of d. For that, let me use the formula. An is a plus n minus 1 into d. So a6 will be equal to a plus 5d. The nth term is given as 62. So a6 is 62, which is equal to a plus 5d. From this, 5d will become 54. The value of d is 54 upon 5. Here you may get confused. Why did I take 62 in place of an? Because n value we have found it as 6. This 6 gives a6, which is nth term. So nth term is 8 plus 5d. On substituting, we'll be getting the value of common difference as 54 upon 5. Let us solve question number 8. In question number 8, Sn value is given as negative 14 and we can make use of Sn, which is n by 2 times of 2a plus n minus 1 into d equal to negative 14. Let me substitute the known things. 2a is written as it is, n minus 1 into the value of d is given as 2. So let me substitute that. We get n by 2 times of 2a plus 2n minus 2 equal to negative 14. So I will cross multiply this 2. We will be getting n times of 2a plus 2n minus 2 equal to negative 28. Let me keep it as it is. Let me make use of another thing given. an is 4. So a plus n minus 1 into d is 4. So we get a plus n minus 1 into the common difference is 2, which is equal to 4. So we get a plus 2n minus 2 equal to 4. From this, I can write a as 6 minus 2n. Let me substitute this in this equation. I'll be getting n multiplied to 2 times of 6 minus 2n plus 2n minus 2 equal to negative 28. On further simplification, this becomes 12 minus 4n plus 2n minus 2 equal to negative 28. We get 12 minus 2 as 10. So n multiplied, it becomes 10n negative 2n square plus 28 equal to 0. Or else I will rewrite the equation. I'll make some space for solving this question. The equation obtained is 2n square minus 10n plus 28, minus 28, I have taken minus common, equal to 0, or else n square minus 5n minus 410 equal to 0. The combination of minus 7 and plus 2 will work. So n square minus 7n plus 2n minus 14 equal to 0. You find the value of n, it becomes n minus 7 multiplied to n plus 2 equal to 0. N value is 7 or negative 2. We should not consider minus number because n is a positive integer. So n value is 7. If n value is 7, I can find the value of a. It is 6 minus twice of 7, which will be negative 8. So negative 8 is the value of a, and n is equal to 7. So we have solved question number 8. Let us solve question 9 now. Question number 9. They have given the value of a, n as 8, s as 192. So let me use the formula Sn as n by 2 times of a plus the last term. Instead of l, I am using an. So 192 equal to n by 2, which is 8 by 2 times of a value is 3 plus an. Now I can find the nth term. For that, let me cross multiply. It becomes, it's not 129, sorry, it is 192. This one is 192. So we'll be getting 192 divided by 4 equal to 3 plus an, which implies an is 48 minus 3. So an is 45. We use the formula a plus n minus 1 into d equal to 45. So 3 plus 7d equal to 45. 7d will be equal to 42. D value is positive 6. So d is 6. We have found the value of common difference. Let's see the last 10th question of third main question. Question number 10. The value of L, the last term, is given as 28. Sum of the terms is given as 144, and there are total 9 terms. The value of n given is 9. Using Sn equal to n by 2 times of A plus L or A plus AN, we get 144 equal to 9 by 2 times of A plus 28. We can cross multiply by taking the reciprocal. So 144 into 2 by 9 equal to A plus 28. On simplification, it is 16 9s are 144. So it becomes 32 equal to A plus 28. A value is 32 minus 28, nothing but 4. Now the fourth main question. In the fourth question, they asked how many terms of AP-9, 17, 25 and so on must be taken to give the sum as 636. Here the sum of n terms is 636. From the AP we can find out the first term and the common difference. Common difference here is 17 minus 9, nothing but 8. We use the formula Sn equal to n by 2 times of 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Let us substitute the given values. We will be getting 636 equal to n by 2 times of 2 times 9 plus n minus 1 into the value of d is 8. This implies 636 equal to n by 2 times of 18 plus 8n minus 8. So 636 equal to n by 2 times of 8n plus 10. Upon simplification, we get it as 4n square plus 5n minus 636 equal to 0. Simplify this equation, you will be getting the value of n as 12 or negative 53 upon 4, which is a fraction. We will not consider n value as positive 12, we will consider. This is a task for you. This you need to solve the equation. Try it out. The value of n becomes 12. Hence 12 terms of AP must be considered, must be taken to get the sum equal to 636. Question number 5. Find first term of an AP. The first term of an AP is 5 and the last term is 45. Sum is 400. Find the number of terms and also the common difference. Make use of the formula n by 2 times of a plus an, which is sum of n terms. Sum is 400, which is equal to n by 2 times of the first term and the last term is known. So 45 plus 5 is 50, by 2 is 25. So the value of n is 400 by 25 becomes 16. Now find nth term using this formula a plus n minus 1 into d. I can substitute 45 equal to 5 plus n minus 1, which is 15 times of d. So we can find the value of d, which is 40 by 15, 8 by 3. Therefore, the number of terms is 16 and the common difference is 8 by 3. Let us solve 2 more questions before completion of this session. The first and the last term of AP are 17 and 350 respectively. If this common difference is 9, how many terms are there? We need to find the number of terms. and what is the sum of the number of terms. Let me consider the first term 17, and nth term is given as 350 with common difference 9. Alright, an is a plus n minus 1 into d. An value is 350, which is 17 plus n minus 1 into 9. So 350 minus, on simplification, this becomes minus 9 added to 17, which is 8. On transposing, it becomes 8 equal to positive 9n. So n will be 342 by 9, which is equal to 38. Now I need to find the sum. So sum of 38 terms is 38 by 2 times of, I can use a plus l since the last term is known. So 17 plus 350. So yes, 38 is 19 times of 367. We get the sum of 38 terms as 6973. 6973. Let me rewrite 6973. So let us solve the last question for today's session. Question number 7. Sum of first 22 terms. So n value is 22. D value is 7. Nth term is 149. We use the formula an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. An is 149 equal to a plus 22 minus 1 is 21 multiplied to 7. So I can find the value of a as 149 minus 21 multiplied to 7 is 147. I get the value of a as 2. Now the task is to find the sum of 22 terms. So yes, 22 is 22 by 2 times of a plus an, which is 149. We will be getting 11 times of 151. So the sum is 1661. So the sum of 22 terms is 1661. That's all for today's session. We shall continue the exercise in our next session. Thank you.